Hey guys, so it's been a while since we have filmed, right, Maddie? Say hey guys.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Yeah, hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Did you shut the door?
You did? Okay, so we are downtown right now. It is August.
Pizza?
Yeah, you had that for lunch, but you're not gonna eat it now, okay?
Lunch.
No, you're not gonna eat it now. You're gonna eat something for dinner later. Anyway, so we're parked, just so you guys know. We are downtown, and I'm gonna just let y'all know. This week is my birthday. Saturday is my birthday. Today is Maddie. Today is Tuesday, so I got all my birthday dresses. I have 2 to choose from, so that's good. I ordered those. But right now, Matthias and I are going to a couple of stores. I'm going to go to Zara and H&M. Actually, I'm probably not going to go to H&M because I just feel like I don't ever really find anything good in H&M anymore. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But I'm going to Zara to look at their heels because they do have a black pair of heels that I like. But I'm going to look in the Saks store and the Nordstrom store to see what they have. Look at him. So, yeah. So I'm going to take y'all in there with me so y'all can see what I'm looking at. Yeah, but I really hope I find something today. So, all right, let's go in there. Okay guys, so we're in the Saks store now, and I thought that I was going to be finding some like cute shoes or whatever. Sorry, I'm going to take my mask off for a second.
In a size 37.
But yeah, I didn't see too much. I did like these. Let me show y'all these ones. They're decent, but they're not like, let me show you. They're not like giving anything like that. So let me know what y'all think about these. I'm actually gonna go to Nordstrom next and see what they have, and then go from there. So see y'all in a second. 1 second. Okay, y'all, so I didn't find nothing in there. Okay, so while I'm on this side, my next stop is gonna be the Nordstrom rack. Come on, Maddie. Yeah, he done took my phone, so that's that. Come on, Matt. Yeah. I hope I can find something because the way that one of the dresses look, if I can remember, I'm gonna try to show y'all my two dresses. I'm not gonna try them on, but I'm gonna show them to y'all so y'all can see what I'm working with. But I really want like a strappy heel, and I feel like I'm just gonna have to go with what I know, which is go to Zara. But thing that's strappy, y'all. I'm probably definitely gonna have to go to Zara. The thing is, Zara is so, hold on baby, Zara is so packed at this time of day. It's not the place that you want to be. But I'm not finding anything, so I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet. So I'm thinking about getting to wear with some denim shorts because I'm going to an event on Friday and it's gonna be hot. And so I just want to be chill and cute. So I might get that. I'm gonna see y'all at Zara. So we just left out of Zara. Yeah. Okay, we just left out of Zara and yeah. They didn't have the shoes that I wanted. And I ended up trying on a bunch of clothes and none of them fit. Like, maybe this is just my season of, because sometimes I go through seasons of where I just can't stop buying anything. Everything looks great. And then there are other seasons where nothing fits me right. I can't find anything, like I'm just not inspired. And you know what? This might be my season, okay? This might be my season. But we're gonna head into H&M just to peek at their shoes. Come on, Maddie. And just see what's what. I mean, while we're here, we're just gonna see what's what. Come on, Stinker. See. This way, baby. What? We're gonna see, and then if they don't have it, then we're gonna go, okay? If they don't have it, then we're gonna go. Hold on, baby. Wait, come on. Matthias. This way. Nothing. Let's look at this sparkly. I'm always drawn to a little sparkle. No, we're not going upstairs today. No. Yeah. Come on, baby. So y'all, we literally went to all of those stores, and for what? I didn't get nothing. Sorry about that. Yeah, I didn't get nothing. Nobody had nothing. And then the one store, so I showed y'all I went to all of those stores pretty much, and I ended up seeing that there's an express coming, but I thought it was open. Y'all, it was so much cute stuff in the window that I was just like, yeah. They had some shoes, but of course that location was not open yet. So we're gonna go tomorrow. Me and y'all are gonna go there tomorrow while my son is at school and see. Okay, baby, and see what they have. I want to go tonight, but I'm hungry, so I think I'm about to just make some fish and have a salad. I don't really want to like eat out tonight, so that's what we're doing. But I'm so blown because who waits till the last second like this? Like, my birthday is literally Saturday. Literally. I have not gotten my eyebrows done. I have not done anything. So yeah, there's that. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to rush and do all of that crap tomorrow. I think. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do it all, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. Whew. Yeah, your girl is stressed. I mean, I'm not really stressed like that, but I just hate feeling like things are not happening like seamlessly. Like, why would I rush myself, you know? Because it's what I do. I clearly thrive off of that, so. And now these cars are like literally doing, I don't know what they're doing. But yeah, me and my baby about to go home and eat, so we'll talk to y'all a little bit later on. so dark in here, but we are at, me and my sisters and our kids are at my birthday dinner. We're at Rare Steakhouse. This is what it looks like. Say hey, Coco. So, you want to say hi, Steffi?
Steffi, I want you to sit on this side.
Okay, your mommy wants you to go sit over there. And Matt, you come sit with mommy. So, yeah, we are going. I don't have one, but I'm sure the guy probably has one. Yeah. So, I'm sorry it's so dark, y'all. Say hi, YouTube.
Look at our channel.
Yeah, look at my channel. So, yeah. This is the dinner. You'll be seeing on my Instagram my outfit details because stuff got crazy today. I'll tell you about that when I get home later. But yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, Christina, let's say happy birthday really quickly.
Wow.
Can you stand right here? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Christina. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! Make it wet. Make it wet. Make it wet. Make it wet.
Maddie is for. That is. Do you want to help me blow them out? I'm going to blow out the candles?
I'm gonna blow it out the candle.
Okay.
I'm gonna blow it out the
You see him? Come on, Maddie. Okay, come on, Stephanie. Come on, my little helpers.
Okay.
It's like the wettest cake.
Blow.
Okay.
Blow this one.
Because I was trying to give you a good cute boomerang going on the camera. Yeah, this is.
Yay! Yay!